PGTRBGK syllabus based 20
based 20 MCQs with answers. ### Unit I, Indian History. 1. When did the Vedic period start? A. 1500 BC. B. 1000 BC. C. 500 BC. D. 100 AD. Answer. A. 1500 BC. *** Tamil. A. 1500 Ku. Ma. 2. Which year marks the beginning of Free India? A. 1945. B. 1947. C. 1950. D. 1965. Answer. B. 1947. *** Tamil. B. 1947. ### Unit 2, Indian Constitution. 3. What document is the supreme law of India? A. Indian Penal Code. B. Indian Constitution. C. Civil Procedure Code. D. Criminal Procedure Code. Answer. B. Indian Constitution. *** Tamil. B. India Catum. 4. Which article of the Constitution provides for human rights? A. Article 12. B. Article 21. C. Article 32. D. Article 44. Answer. B. Article 21. *** Tamil. B. 21 Ampukarvalipattu. ### Unit 3, History of Tamil Nadu. 5. Which dynasty is not associated with Tamil Nadu? A. Chera. B. Chola. C. Gupta. D. Pandya. Answer. C. Gupta. *** Tamil. C. Guptar. 6. What age corresponds to the Sangam literature? A. Ancient. B. Medieval. C. Modern. D. Colonial. Answer. A. Ancient. *** Tamil. A. Tolkalam. ### Unit IV, Personalities. 7. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer. C. Mahatma Gandhi. *** Tamil. C. Mahatma Gandhi. 8. Which author wrote The Guide? A. R. K. Narayan. B. Chetan Bhagat. C. Ruskin Bond. D. Jhampa Lahiri. Answer. A. R. K. Narayan. *** Tamil. A. K. Narayan Chu. ### Unit V, Sports and Games. 9. Which sport is known as Queen of Sports? A. Football. B. Basketball. C. Athletics. D. Cricket. Answer. C. Athletics. *** Tamil. C. Athletics. 10. Who won the gold medal in men's cricket in the 2021 Olympics? A. Australia. B. India. C. Pakistan. D. Who won the gold medal in men's cricket in the 2021 Olympics? A. Australia. B. India. C. Pakistan. D. None. Answer. D. None. *** Tamil. D. Enter Oruvanam Illai. ### Unit V, Abbreviations. 11. What does ATM stand for? A. Automated teller machine. B. Automated transfer money. C. Automated technology machine. D. Automated time module. Answer A. Automated teller machine. *** Tamil. A. Tenaka Varumana Ituppil Iyantiram. 12. What does UN stand for? A. United Network. B. Utility Network. C. United Nations. D. Universal Nations. Answer C. United Nations. *** Tamil. C. Ikea Natukal. ### Unit 7, Everyday Science. 13. What is the chemical symbol for water? A. O2. B. H2O. C. CO2. D. N2. Answer B. H2O. *** Tamil. B. H2O. 14. What planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer B. Mars. *** Tamil. B. Mar. ### Unit 8, Current Affairs. 15. Who is the current Prime Minister of India as of 2023? A. Rahul Gandhi. B. Narendra Modi. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Amit Shah. Answer B. Narendra Modi. *** Tamil. B. Narendra Modi. 16. Which country hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup? A. Russia. B. Japan. C. Qatar. D. Brazil. Answer C. Qatar. *** Tamil. C. Qatar. ### Additional questions. 17. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? A. Chennai. B. Coimbatore. C. Madurai. D. Tiruchirappalli. Answer A. Chennai. *** Tamil. A. Chennai. 18. Which river is known as the lifeline of Tamil Nadu? A. Ganges. B. Kaveri. C. Godavari. D. Yamuna. Answer B. Kaveri. *** Tamil. B. Kaveri. 19. What is the main language spoken in Tamil Nadu? A. Telugu. B. Hindi. C. Tamil. D. Kannada. Answer C. Tamil. *** Tamil. C. Tamil. 20. In which year did India gain independence? A. 1945. B. 1947. C. 1950. D. 1952. Answer B. 1947. *** Tamil. B. 1947. These questions can help prepare for exams regarding general knowledge related to Indian history, Constitution, Tamil Nadu, and more.